as a founder of the company, I felt responsible for everything. And I did, in the early days, I did everything from literally cleaning sometimes, you know, the conference room to make sure that next day we had important visitors come, that the conference room was clean, to running the financials, to hiring, to, of course, leading the technology front, pretty much everything. And then you become, you start looking at the company as if it's, you know, your own little child. You know, you don't want it to fail under any circumstances. And it's very important to take a step back sometimes and let other people who know how to do things do it and do it better than you. A common mistake, a fatal mistake that many founders do is believe, you know, they get overwhelmed with a feeling of superiority, especially if they get funding. All of a sudden, they think they can be CEOs and they can be CTOs and they can be CMOs and they can be CFOs, etc. Okay, and they become control freaks, to put it mildly. I've seen many companies fail because of that. And you know, I was lucky because one of the conditions I put forward with my colleague at the time and the venture capital folks who funded us was that I told them, you know, none of us is going to be a CEO of the company, but I want you to bring, you know, every major venture capital firm has an ecosystem of a huge network of people who have done, you know, marketing roles and chief executive roles, etc. And they may be transitioned from one company to another. They may be hanging around. So they make introductions, and sometimes these introductions work. That was the case with Quiet Mobile. And I was very happy that I made that decision early on.